Okay, ready?
Yep.
All right, so the battery compartment in this was designed for 6 lead acid 6-volt golf cart batteries, and in order to fit the single block lithium in here, we had to do a few things. First was this resistor speed control thing was right here in the middle with the 6 batteries around it. So I had to unbolt that and swing it over here. One cable had to be replaced to be long enough in that new location, but that was relatively easy. I just traced back the old wire and hooked it to the motor in the same way. And then we used these hold down straps. We got the new battery on the strut, on the framing where it's holding the weight, and then had to drill a couple of holes in the vertical side of that steel framing to hook the hooks from the bottom of these hold down bolts in, and then it's all held down with those. It's very, very secure. It's not going anywhere.